Yeah, mano gedit kodo sana. They are only busy with burning things. Ma wasetimo. So acting sahi e Kenya ka ok chudi. But ka most people masetimo ko jomo ngere sana jwak ni giun kata ka gichul rent.
Nyar Onagi TV, your listening ear.
Machiegni urunyi kwa Ramogi Ajwang e chenro mar go mbaka gi jaber Nyar Onagi mabendi koloni kod an jaber Nyar Onagi e wang' jowi noero mar Nyar Onagi TV. Chenro ma kawuono ni wadhi yudo thuolo mar goyo mbaka kod achiel kuom jogo man gi mbi e industry mar entertainment ka ko double up as a director, actor, kendo as a video producer. Achiel kachiel abiro miye thuolo mondo mi onyiswa nyinge, oya kanye, to otimo ang'o kuom sechegi.
Okay, nyinga ma atiyo godo, wacha ni matiyo godo, iluongo ni AUSTINE SEASMART, kasto nyinga koro mane opande, en AUSTINE Doya.
AUSTINE Doya.
Yes.
Why AUSTINE SEASMART?
I had a group back then. Ne an gi group moro manatemoga create chon. To ne waluongore ni Smart Empowered Artist. So it was C. Then I used that C nikaongeza smart, so C smart.
Okay.
Yes.
Koro the C is an abbreviation of something that once existed in the past.
Yes.
To ija kanye?
AUSTINE SEASMART janya katika jimbo.
Janya katika jimbo. Simbuka questions be brief. Janya katika jimbo. Idongo born and bred in katika jimbo.
Yes.
School
ana Napoko primary school.
High school.
High school kanyo madu wadacho mana Napoko kanyo kendo.
Growing up as a student, ningi dream mar bedo ang'o when you
asebedo lek man ga godo kata koyacho en ga bedo an actor. Mane gima asega gombo bedo timo kata kane pod atin.
Evo wanyalo wacho ni you're living your dreams.
Yes, but not fully the way kaka dware.
As long as ni timo gima chunyi ne dwaro cha.
Yeah. Yes, that's what I'm doing.
So acting, ichake ndalo man, like which year professionally ichake acting ndalo man?
Okay, professionally, achako 2016. Yeah.
How many movies magemo wase nini?
Okay, gima notimore e yora mar acting career. Kora doje ba kora hambe kora act, kora timo videos maga, manda chako 2015, 2016 kanyo. Bana chako chon gimoro 2014, 2013. But ilo kana shoot a movie to producer day to delete, ne pod watiyo gi tape. So that thing was really painful to me. Nekechite mo itiyo seche mo gi pesa ni produce movie, then producer day delete tape no kodhi makodo liel somewhere. So I really wanted to know how to do that producing thing. Nadwa ng'eyo ambe kaka nyalo produce my own video. From there makasto nachako timo maker ma keep the like nyansa nitie moko mag dholuo manachako godo kaka Agudho, Mpango wa Kando, hizo comedy, luo comedies. Nimezifanya nyingi sana. But sasa nikikuja Nairobi, hiyo ilikuwa 2019 ndio sasa tukaanza kuact sasa na kwani professionally sasa. Yes.
So producing gimano thiri producing onyalo choni circumstances mane?
Yes.
Challenges mani kale?
Yes.
O dhiri makoro choko producing?
Yes.
Makoro sani onyalo choni you are a professional producer?
Yes.
So apart from producing, acting, directing, what else do you do?
Okay, I do designing, graphic designing, and then that's it. I'm a cameraman, so I can cameraman. That part lies in producing. So I'm also a cameraman. I'm an editor. That's what I do.
So in relations to graphics design, most designers watch when something inspires your design. Think about design gimoto, you will see a print of maybe Africa, maybe a print of animal. What inspires your design as a designer?
I can't say more. Me, that one just come automatically. I don't even know. That one just come automatically. When I do it, I just feel what I'm doing. That's the only thing I say. I'm trying to come up with something new. My own creativity. Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Apart from designing, you're also a writer, script writer, and you also act.
Yes.
Angoma inspires ga thought movies mindiko.
The life that I went through.
So it's like your life, indigo story.
Yes.
You're telling your story in the form of a movie.
Yes, and what I went through as a child, those things inspires me to do whatever. Yani kenye nataka kuandika inatokanga na kulingana na venye nilikuwa kaka na piece gik mana neno mana kadhe gimana timo. So mana momiyo sani kandiko tatemo relate with those things kuweka keto. Yes.
Industry kairi ma sana you are an all-rounded person. Industry mar entertainment ni.
Yes.
In that it's a end-to-end process. Ichake mineno room.
Yes.
Challenges mage mikale kaka an artist.
Okay, when it comes to acting, I'll be chako because I cover industry kagik mangen matemo. So in terms of acting, to poda jok mane government nikech pogi establish pogi miyo actors that opportunity or pogi miyo wagi moro at least wanyalo timo magi wadhi mabor. The only thing they do now government wabere can criticize whatever you've done, and that's what they do, and then gibere ban. So gimoro ni they support this kata mana ni actors nyalo timo kama gidhi kata TV station gichak keto kata ma percentage mar obedo played on here mano gedit godo sana. They are only busy with banning things ma wasetimo. So acting sahi e Kenya ka ok chudi. Bodo ka most people maseche moko jomo ngere sana jwak ni giung kata ka gichul rent because I lipi vile jina iko lakini when unaishi you live like a I don't want to say that. So that one is what we have. Government oko tambuawa kaka actors. Then jomatis manya sao konyo mondo chances go begin ok chul gimoro malich madangi wachi. Haya kaduogo area na mar video producing. Video production to me I think I'm good because before I shoot I already have things in my mind what I'm going to shoot. Unless my musician or my actors or my director biro ge idea what mage. But when it's my creativity from scratch, that one I don't think I have any problem because I know what I want and what I will be achieving. Yes.
Koro, speaking from the perspective of an experienced artist who is all-rounded in this field, what do you think should be done differently in order to make this industry effective and more productive to the upcoming artists?
First of all, what we should be doing, to me, as an individual, again, wacha ni okber copy culture ma job moko ikelo koro and all that. We should really fight on how to turn our talent into money. And onego venture into some other things also. When we are doing this thing, nikech creativity is not here forever. Tomorrow, abro bedo doomed. Or can be anything in my mind. But if I invest in another thing, bro konyowa. So I just feel like we should just learn how to turn our talent into money. Most of us. And if we do that, I think we are going to be good. Because that is the only thing that we are lacking now.
Do you feel a gap the government onego bed ni fill?
Yes, of course.
Which one?
First of all, okay, I don't want to get into so much detail, but all I know is that they should get involved into our creativity. They should be able to empower us. Like if you go to Hollywood, you can write your own script and then take it to government. Even if they don't have money to give you, they will give you advices. They can make some workshop that teach us on how to make money through our talent because we have them to wapando ge bokitandawa. Ibro de kara kide US bro do kam sani moro ma makata ngamo ngeyo onge. Odak e gima very seriously. So you'll be shocked. Nitie moko matimo side deals, but nitie moko ma focused on music.
Yeah.
O kungere kata ngamo ngeonge, but odak e ngima maber seriously. Kata wende mose winjo onge, but odak e ngima maber. Nikech government otambua talent makono. So anago mani government marwa otambua talent marwa gilos na some workshops manyalo puonjo wa 1 2 3 things gain invite more people from outside monge what music is all about, monge what talent is all about, ochak puonjo this workshop so that we can also learn. Because right now what we are doing it by force. Na hata watu hawajaielewa, it's called showbiz. Watu hawajaielewa, ukifanya kitu they will hate you for it. You lie to people that I'm going to do this so that you can create some attention. But when you do that, na hujafanya kitu kwa nasema watu watakuchukia. Because we don't know what we call what is showbiz, we don't know that. So kama tunaweza kuwa na kitu kama workshops, tufundishwa 1 2 3 things, we will be good. That's what I'm asking.
Assuming you woke up today and you're the appointed CS of art in Kenya,
that's a very good role. As I go role no matter. First of all, Abro make sure na keto all our media stations or play 80 or 90% of our content. And then I will make sure that we ask for government, we ask for funds, government. Moda me at least we support the small groups masachi makonigi 1 2 3 things mango mona me empower godo themselves kata talent moko put down ngato ge camera manya timo video maber to ko timo mare no to bedo criticized ma serious because pogi kama setere the only thing that we can do best is criticize gima jogi timo jomoko do timo movie jomoko do act yogi all these things, all this equipment. I would really wish ni at least waket katamani county government. Each county government ochung katamane films moka beach kata par per year. Magi establish magi begi support mono me joma ne kanyo go team. Ok ne gitime because now kata ka gitime to gitime ne keche I don't want to be afraid. Gitime ne keche ng'ane is based na. Koro ka dire to nyaka to mia handout kaka dhi donjo kata cha. But ka en talent ma is really talent, purely talent. Gitime no.
Who is your role model industry ma art kairi angamiki look iluga forward to wachoni chieng moro?
Tyler Perry.
Yeah. Are you on social media? How you dinango?
Okay, me hosting SEASMART hosting on Facebook. Then also SEASMART kwa hizo zote. Modo ngote kuro SEASMART, the YouTube SEASMART, the TikTok SEASMArt, the Instagram SEASMART, Twitter SEASMART. So that's it.
Niko na mogejua mano nyalo chopo wa egiko mar chenro makawuono ni gi Austin SEASMART kendo inyalo med par ni Austin SEASMART jalno ero mantiere gi lony mar rie e weche mag music production, acting kod directing. Obro medo pare gi padono ero mar PDG Kevin mabede luongo kod nying mar Hawi. Is it Hawi?
Nitiere Hawi to nitiere kendo Seche Emma. Okoth Jarapogi ma wangi. Wende Okoth Jarapogi videos geten mamako. Fred Jakadonga Beth mama. So many songs. Amako so many songs. Videos mang'eny maseche.
Watch mogik. Miwego fans gi potential clients, potential people who might want to take any advice from you. Nyalo wache kamera cha.
Kamera. Oh, saseni. Okay, first of all anka ginya mera. Jaber Nyar Onagi. Akwayo ni mondo mi at least u follow subscribe the YouTube channel mare. Umia support ni kechen marwa. And mogik kwayo ni kuye, let's just try to support our own. Nikech adiera ni emaki supporta to kiny ka gedo to dipo ka watni moro yude tich moro man michengo kanyo. To dipo ka an bende kiny ni ba yude sling apar moro manyalo mi kata manyagero kamoro ma nyathini dhi godo skul. Koro akwayo ni kuom yie maru yiuru mondo mi usupport wan wasanii ma Kenya, not only me but wasanii te mantie. Joma dwaro timo nigi music video niko unyalo miya that job. Namba mar simu adhi miyo we talk to.
For now you can DM him on his social media platforms, Austin SEASMART.
Yeah.
On all social media platforms. Kawe ugimago, Jaber Nyar Onagi medo mana lamo ngima mathoth kendo Ruoth Nyasaye omed rito nau e kinde duto kendo kinde mabiro. Awugimago.
Nyar Onagi TV, your listening ear.